stealth bomber.
Star Wars.
Deep into enemy territory to deliver on-time targets. Northrop, designed this small black flying wing, is the world's only stealth bomber and an invisible ghost. Enemy radar operators. Long kept secret, the B-2 is out, of course, in the open today. 4 General Electric engines. Subsonic 475